Hi, I'm Henze, an artist, urban sketcher, and art teacher dedicated to guiding you on your creative journey. I'm also a top teacher on Skillshare, and today I'm excited to share my new Skillshare class with you. In this class, you'll learn to create vibrant and expressive landscape sketches using colored pencils. I'll guide you step by step as we bring this beautiful landscape to life. You'll learn how to simplify complex scenes, make bold color choices, and create dynamic, lively feel in your sketches. Whether you are new to colored pencils or looking to refine your techniques, this class is designed to help you build confidence and explore your creativity. If you'd like to keep learning and dive deeper into sketching with colored pencils, I invite you to explore Brave Brush Studio, my membership for amateur artists and urban sketchers that will help you unlock your creativity and find peace and joy in the process. The membership includes a 5-week course dedicated to colored pencil sketching. I'll teach you concrete techniques to add interesting lines, textures, and details to your colored pencil sketches, and play with limited color palettes. We'll then practice applying these techniques to sketching landscapes, buildings, and people. You'll learn the skills you need to make bright colored pencil sketches using your own reference photos and be on your way to developing your own style. Let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is when sketching with colored pencils. That's all for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Happy sketching, guys, and I'll see you next week.